Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to create a tutorial on cleaning the doors in hand-troweled cement finish, one of the most appreciated finishes by our customers. I have here with me a sample of a door in a hand-troweled cement finish that has just come out of our production. I will intentionally stain the door using certain products that we utilize in the kitchen. I have olive oil and ketchup here, for example. Let's start with olive oil. We will leave it for a duration of 1 minute. I will start the timer to track the elapsed time. Street. I remind you that, however, this finish is on the vertical part of the kitchen, so usually we will not have such an abundant product, but a little more reduced. However, we leave it in position, let the minute pass, so that you can see that it is not a montage. Okay, we are nearly there. Then we will utilize some Scottex to remove the excess product, and after that, we will make use of a detergent that we use in the kitchen. We have opted for this particular detergent because it is slightly more professional, although it is generally a common detergent that is readily available. In addition to that, we will employ a microfiber cloth. Here it is. At the present moment, it is slightly damp due to the product that was used, but there is no longer any trace of the greasy part of the oil. The cleaning process is almost complete, and we are satisfied with the outcome. We have successfully eliminated the greasy residue, and the surface is now clean and free of any oily marks. We are now one step closer to finishing the task. Just a few more steps to go, and we will be done. Thank you for your patience and cooperation throughout this cleaning process. We appreciate your understanding. We are glad that we have been able to achieve such satisfactory results. The combination of Scottex, a professional detergent, and a microfiber cloth has proven to be highly effective in removing the greasy residue. We will continue to work diligently to ensure that every part of the surface is thoroughly cleaned. Once again, we appreciate your cooperation and understanding. The second product we are going to use is ketchup. From what I recall, my usual approach is to plant in a vertical position, which tends to result in a lower yield compared to other methods. I initiate the timer for 1 minute. Check how much is left, we're close. So you have the ability to see that the weather is more or less the same. Perhaps you noticed it earlier. Of course, we always recommend paying a little attention when the product falls down. Cease the timer, eliminate the excess product using Scottex, apply the detergent, and thoroughly wipe the surface with the microfiber cloth to remove any remaining residue or dirt particles, ensuring a clean and pristine finish. Here it is. I will demonstrate it to you. The plant will still be damp in this case because of the product, but there is no longer any trace of the greasy and oily ketchup product that was previously present. I would like to remind you that this is a hand-spatulated finish, which means that we do not have a laminate. The use and maintenance of this finish is guaranteed and allowed due to the presence of a nanotechnological protection that is applied to protect this manual finish. We can therefore guarantee both the beauty of the manual finish and its durability over time. I thank you all for your attention, and I hope I have been helpful.
RiFRA, Kitchens and Beds, direct from Milano.